We're all here for something that we love, something that makes, we find our passion in it. In the short amount of time that you're here, really dedicate yourself to putting it all into this. It goes by really quick. It doesn't seem like it in the moment, but it really does. And then you're like, wow, I'm 2 weeks away from graduating. But we're all here for a reason. We're all here because we love this. Just really dedicate yourself.
It was like on an off day, we just called right. It was day of, we called, we're like, can we actually get a tour right now? And they were like, oh, we generally don't do tours on this day, but yeah, come on in. It was super awesome. Everybody was really friendly. Miss Janet was the one that took me on the tour around the school, gave me kind of like the sense of the vibe of the whole place. And yeah, it was a really great experience, and I basically ended up enrolling that day. But everybody here is really supportive. All the instructors are super supportive in anything that you need, and just very helpful. And it's really nice to know that people, they'll still have your back. Even like it feels like when I'm graduated too, like if I needed anything, like any of my instructors would love to give me advice or help. For sure, because you're only here 5.5 hours a day. It goes by quick, and not every day you're spent working on people. So it's really like taking the time in your personal life to choose to practice that. I love to take someone to like all blonde. I love the fashion colors, obviously. They're always really fun to be able to create and make somebody's like hair goals come to life. Like, it's awesome. And now I'm only like 2 weeks away from graduating. I just say go for it. It's a short amount of time, so yeah, it goes by quick.